Here's one of my favorite songs from this book called Cossack Ride. It's a very fun, lively, sounds like a horse is riding through a whole field. So it's very bouncy in the left hand. And we are in A position. I'm starting in middle A in the right hand and the base A in the left hand. And you do have a repeat sign after line number 2. So just repeat that section to the beginning again. Take a listen. See the left hand jumping. Repeat. Right hand holds, left hand jump. Keep the left hand hold. 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 Octave higher. And octave lower. Let's take it from right hand. Starting in the middle A position, you're going to hear these theme a couple of times. So start here with me. Jump, running. Jump. Running, walk. Running, walk. Repeat to the beginning. Down and up, down and up. 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And a scale. Jump. Now let's play the chords. A fifth, fourth, fifth, a third, fifth, a second, a fifth, an octave higher. Scale. You saw how smooth the right hand was, right? Now the left hand is very bouncy. Even when right hand is holding, you want the left hand to keep jumping. So follow me here. We are staying in A position, not in the middle. We're going to be in the base A position. And occasionally you're going to see me moving down to G position. So follow me. A, G, and G, and A, and 2, and G, and G, and A, and 2, and G, G, F, E, rest. Rest, A, A. Let's repeat that again. Next line. Hold that down. Open to a 6. And open to a 7th. Now this part gets tricky. D, E, and G sharp. Play it together. And go back to A position. G, G, A. Keep it bouncing. And E, A, open to a 7, 6, back to a 5th. Prepare and move your hand down an octave, and let's play a scale to end it.